Good morning student. Today we are going to next practical is separate the two nibbles. Aim is write a program that separates the two nibbles of a number stored in 7060H and stored the same in memory locations 7061H and 7062H. The program must also multiply the nibbles and store the result in 7063H. First, initialize the HL pair with 7060 and contain it 62. With the help of this instruction, LXI H7060. 62 data move in accumulator with the help of move M2A means memory location data moving to accumulator. Same data stored in register B. For the same instruction, move memory location moving to register B. Immediate accumulator data with 0F and performing the ANDing operation. The accumulator data is 62 in binary 0110 and 2 is 0010 and ANDing 00000 and F means 1111. ANDing operation perform and result 0000 means 0, 0010 means 2. The 02 result stored in accumulator and the instruction is ANI 0F. Previous slide microprocessor pointed 7060 incremented by 1, microprocessor pointed by 7061 INX H instruction. As you know, accumulator stored in 02 move in memory location 7061. Instruction is move A to M means accumulator data stored in memory location. Here accumulator data moving register C with the help of move A to C and next register B is 62 moving accumulator with the help of move B to A. One more instruction RLC, that is rotate left content of register A is the 4 times. Accumulator is 62, 0110 is 6, 0010 is 2. In 62 is rotate left content 4 times. So final output is 0010, 0110. Again same instruction apply here, ANI 0F. Accumulator content right now 26. ANDing operation with 0F. 0010, 0110 that is 6, 0, 0000, F111. The answer is 06, but this answer stored in accumulator because accumulator is a by default register. Microprocessor previous slide pointed 7061 incremented by 1. So right now microprocessor pointed by 7062. Instruction is INX H. So we previous slide we separate 2 nibbles and this slide is multiplied the 2 nibbles. Again accumulator contains 0, instruction is XRA. Add memory data to accumulator, instruction is add M. That time decremented register C. Next increment HL pair by 1, instruction is INX H. And last move accumulator data to memory counter. This is complete program. This is the output. Before execution 7060 contains 62. After execution 7061 contains 02, one nibble separate. 7062 contains 06, second nibble separate and multiply by both. Answer is 03. The address is 7063. This is completed the separation between two nibbles. Next performance, write a program that separates the two nibbles of a number stored in 7060 and stores the same in memory location 7061 and 7062. The program must also multiply the nibbles and store the result in 7063. Here I type R reset except S. CR ready means microprocessor ready for all instructions and all command. Again I press CR. Microprocessor starting address 7000. Here opcode is 21 6070. Next I press 7E. 7004 opcode is 46 4 and 6. Next E 6 0 F 23 77 4 F 78 07 07 again 07. Again I press 07. Next E6 0F 23 77. Then AF 86 0D. 7016 is C2 1470. Next 23 77 and finally CF. Again except SCR for input address. So input address is 7060. We take data 62. This content is 00. So time for execution except G CR. The microprocessor starting address of our program. Starting address is, as you know, 7000. Again our program is correct. Except SCR for output. The output address is 7061. Here is 0206 and 7063 is 0C. So now we completed two nibbles, separate the two nibbles of program.